Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has reached here in the last few days this golden ratio level, the $20.20 level. We highlighted that it might be moving in some kind of an descending wedge pattern, descending broadening wedge. Can you see that? Constrained by the dashed lines. Seems to be breaking out right now. Let's see if this is now already a bottoming signal. For me, primarily, I would still be looking at one more low on the Solana chart in this C wave in orange. Yeah, I would prefer if it tests the area around $17 to $17.90. If it bottomed already, which is possible, then we wouldn't have an ABC structure as highlighted in orange. It would have to be a W, X, Y structure. Then the low could already be in because price reached already the orange support area, reached the golden ratio. And if we talk about Fibonacci extensions, remember what the first target typically is, which is the 61.8 extension. There you go. It nearly reached it. That's at $19.50. No, it actually touched it. Okay, it actually touched it here. Can you see that? The 61.8 extension. So because it already touched it, I can't rule out that a low has been made actually. And in fact, we've been waiting. Oh wow, I just see that now actually, because yesterday and the days before we talked about the $19.50 level. That's what just confused me, because by yesterday it hadn't reached this level yet, but it now has. It touched it. It was the next relevant level to watch. And I highlighted that could be the next, if we get one more low, which was expected, which we got yesterday, this year could end the entire correction. So, okay, so fair enough. So it might very much be that with this touch of the support level yesterday, the 61.8 extension at $19.50, the entire correction is over. But we, of course, need more evidence, need more proof. At the moment, I would still look at lower, also because I expect it for Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. But again, you know, we've done what we wanted to see, another low, okay? And it hit our next target, perfect. So now we just need to see, is the reaction sufficient to indicate that a low is in. The first relevant level to break now to the upside would be here the $22.20 level, the last swing highs. And if we can get above that level, above $23.70, I would think the low is in. At the moment, it's too early. And if we make another low below yesterday's low, below that 61.8 extension level, below that $19.50 level, then it should touch $17 to $17.90. This would be my ideal target. Might not be reached. In an ABC structure, however, ideally it would be. Now, again, it sort of did already what we wanted. Yeah, one more low. So it's now just about being patient and to see if price is reacting. At present, I would like to see another low. In the yellow wave count, we would even get two more lows. But the yellow wave count is nothing I'm primarily looking for at the moment due to this choppy nature of the decline here of the Monday, the 14th of August high. Due to that choppy nature down, it looks rather like a so-called ending diagonal, which can only happen in a C wave, not really in a third wave. So I'm primarily counting that as a C wave. That could, I think, still do with another low. It's a little unclear how this structure works out at the moment, because especially in an ending diagonal, there are lots of possible interpretations. I showed you one yesterday. We could say that this here was a 1, a 2. The third wave might have finished with that additional low. That's what we wanted to see. It might be in a fourth wave now and then a fifth wave down. Yeah, and then the third wave was an A wave, a B wave triangle, and a C wave down. So I think, look at this. I mean, this works out nicely. I think that's also the micro count I showed you yesterday. 1, 2, 3 might have finished here. So let me just change the, yeah, no, that's okay. And then within the third wave, it might have been here the A wave I showed you yesterday, the B wave triangle, and the C wave as ending diagonal in wave 3. This, I think, worked out and works out nicely. Let me just change the colors. We put it right on this chart. Yeah, and this would be all in line with what we want to see. And then with one more low, currently maybe in a wave 4, gave you the resistance. Yeah, with one more low, we should hit the $17.90 to $17 level. But if we break above the resistance as mentioned here, $22.20 roughly, and then $23.70. The low is already in. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.